Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to explain linearly separability, nonlinear separability and XOR problems in artificial neural network. Let's enter into the subject. Linear separability. If some elements are able to separate into two different groups on a 2D planar with the help of a single straight line is known as linearly separable. See the example. So here I have some symbols like X and star circles. There are 5 symbols. 2 X symbols and 3 circles are there. So with a single straight line, I am able to separate them into two groups. So you call it as linearly separable. You see here, with a single straight line, I am separating X into one group and circles into another group. So this set is called linearly separable. In the same way, non-linearly separable. If I am unable to separate with a single straight line, you call it as non-linearly separable. If the some elements are able to divide into two groups in 2D planar with a single straight line, it is known as non-linearly separable. If I am able to separate with single straight line, it is called linearly separable. If I am unable to separate with single straight line, you call it as non-linearly separable. You see here, I cannot separate with single straight line. So I need to have two lines or I need to have different shapes of the lines. So it is called as non-linearly separable. In a single perceptron, multi-perceptron layer or single perceptron layer, we have only linear separability because they are composed of input and output layers. If it is multi-layer perceptron, we may have hidden layers. AND gate, OR gate functionality can be represented with linear separability, whereas XOR is not linearly separable. That we see. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe my channel and share it to your friends. Now consider AND gate with combination zeros and ones. 0 and 0 is 0. 0 and 1 is 0. 1 and 0 is also 0. And 1 and 1 is 1. Already everyone knows this AND gate. Just I am representing in the two-dimensional plane graph. Just I am writing the coordinates 0, 1, 0, 1. Now 0, 0 is 0. Okay. 0, 1 is 0. 1, 0 is 0. 1, 1 is 1. Now I want to separate this into two different sets. One set zeros and another set ones. So this is linearly separable. Now you see here with the single straight line, I am getting zeros into one group and ones into another group. So AND gate is linearly separable. In the same way, you see OR gate. Everyone knows about R value. 0 or 0 is 0, 0 1 is 1, 1 or 0 is 1, 1 or 1 is 1. Now you represent with R graph. 0 0, 0 1, 0 1. 0 0 is 0, 0 1 is 1, 1 0 is 1, 1 comma 1 is 1. Now I want to separate these zeros into one group and ones into another group. So with this single straight line, you see here. Ones into one group and zeros into another group. So R is also a linearly separable. Now you consider exclusive R. Either of them is 1, then only the result is 1. Otherwise the result is 0. 0 exclusive or 0 is 0. 0 exclusive or 1 is 1. 1 exclusive or 0 is 1. 1 exclusive 1 is 0. Now you represent it on the graph. 0 1 0 1, 0 0 is 0, 0 1 is 1, 1 0 is 1, 1 1 is 0. Now I cannot separate the zeros and ones into one group with a single straight line. Now I try to draw a line. See, still I am getting some zeros here. So I draw one more line. So this is not linearly separable, not linearly separable. Then how to handle this XOR problem? You cannot solve with single perceptron and multi-perceptron layer. So we need to use some functionality. Gauss functionality we are going to use. Just AND gate is linearly separable, OR gate is linearly separable, whereas exclusive OR is not linearly separable. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel. Now you saw how to solve this. Define a pair of Gauss hidden functions like this. Phi1 of x equal to e power minus mod of x minus t1 whole square, where t1 is 1 comma 1 transpose. Phi2 of x equals to e power minus mod of x minus t2 whole square. T2 is 0 comma 0 transpose. We get some Gauss functions like this. With the help of this exponent function, we get Phi1 is hidden layer 1 functionality. Phi2 is second hidden layer. 1 comma 1 is 1, 0.1353. 0 1 is 0.3678, 0.3678. 0 0 is 0.1353, 1. 1 comma 0 is 0.3678. From the second layer to second hidden layer to output layer, we use linear functionality. That means the result will be transmitted as it easily. You represent this in the two-dimensional planar graph. So consider this. 0 1 and 1 comma 0. 0 1 and 1 comma 0 values 0.3678 represented here. 0 comma 1, 1 comma 0. Both value is 0.3678. Next 1 comma 1 value is 0.1353 represented here, and 0 comma 0 value is 1. So just you know that normally 0 comma 1 and 1 comma 0 is 1. This is 0 normal x value. Without, if you have not used Gauss function, you will get like values like this. Now I want to separate different values into different groups. So with the help of single straight line, I am able to separate 0 comma 1, 1 comma 0 into one group, 1 comma 1 and 0 comma 0 is one group. That is 1s into one group and 0s into another group. That's all about XOR problem. Thank you.